How to sign up to Viber in your PC. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So first of all, you have to open up your browser in your computer. After that, in the search bar you have to click and search for Viber. After searching for it, you'll be able to see this interface. So here you have to simply click on login option. After clicking on it, you'll be able to see this interface. So if you already have an account, then you can simply enter your phone number over here and you have to enter your password. Since we are looking for signing up to Viber, you have to click on create account option, which is over here. So here you can see there is a create account option. So you have to enter your phone number over here. So from over here you have to enter your phone number with your country code. After that you have to simply click on continue. After doing that, a verification code will be sent to the number that you have entered over here, and then you have to enter the code in the box. After that, similar is other social media, you have to create your password over there, and by doing that you will successfully be able to create a Viber account. So by following this simple step, you can sign up to Viber account in your PC. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.